The 2010 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, stability control, OnStar, air conditioning, front, anti-theft security system, four-wheel drive, cruise control, audio system with navigation, hands-free communication, fog lamps. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.